So I've just made about $400, close to 500 this December period, December 1st to 30th, and this is just for this month. In the last 3 months, so from October to December, I've made close to $800. So this is how passive this program can be. It's very easy to make money with it. All you need to do is just upload videos, and when people watch your videos and purchase, you get commissions from it. Guys, this is the easiest business model I've ever ventured in my life, and that is why I'm recommending you start it too. So this video is all about teaching you how to make money using the Amazon Influencer Program. Let's go. Everyone, welcome back to Make Money Online Official, the go-to channel for unlocking new streams of income. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into. We'll be exploring the Amazon Influencer Program, a step-by-step guide on how you can leverage it to boost your income. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things money making. Now, let's get started. What is Amazon Influencer Program? First things first, what exactly is the Amazon Influencer Program? This program allows influencers to earn by promoting products on Amazon. Think of it as your personalized storefront, where you curate your favorite products and earn commissions when your audience makes a purchase through your unique links. Now that you're curious, let's discuss eligibility. To be part of the Amazon Influencer Program, you need an active and growing presence on major social media platforms. Whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, you should have a substantial following to be considered. To apply, head over to Amazon's Influencer Program page. Once you're there, you'll need to connect your social media platforms and provide insights into your audience reach. Amazon wants to ensure that you have an engaged and relevant audience before accepting you to the program, so make sure your profiles are polished and showcase your influence. Here are a few tips. Highlight your niche, emphasize your engagement metrics, and showcase the value you can bring to potential customers. Once your application is submitted, it's time to patiently wait for approval. This process typically takes a few days. Once you've been accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program, now let's set up your influencer page. This is like your storefront where your followers can explore the products you recommend. Personalization is key. Add a profile picture, a compelling bio, and most importantly, create lists. Lists are curated groups of products that align with your brand. It could be My Tech Essentials or Must Have for a Cozy Home. These lists make it easier for your audience to find and purchase the products you recommend. Once your page is set up, you'll be given a unique URL. This is the magic link that ties your recommendations to your earnings. Share this link across your social media platforms and encourage your audience to explore and shop through your curated list. Now let's talk money. The heart of the Amazon Influencer Program lies in earning commissions. You earn a percentage of each sale made through your unique links. The more your audience trusts your recommendations, the more you can earn. Amazon's commission structure varies by product category. Some categories offer higher commissions than others. Be strategic in your recommendations and consider focusing on products with higher commissions rates to maximize your earnings. Transparency is key in the world of influencer marketing. Always disclose your relationship with Amazon and let your audience know that you may earn a commission from purchases made through your links. It builds trust and credibility with your audience. Now that your page is set up, let's talk about promoting it. Leverage your existing social media platforms to direct traffic to your Amazon influencer page. Create engaging content showcasing your favorite products and share the link regularly. Consider collaborating with other influencers or participating in cross promotions. This can help you tap into a new audience and expand your reach. The more eyes are on your influencer page, the more potential for earnings. Keep a close eye on your page performance. Amazon provides insights into clicks, purchases, and earnings. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus on the products and categories that resonate most with your audience. So this is how the back end looks like. Here you can manage your content. I'm now on the published, the spending, drafts, and needs attention. So published has all your videos that you've published and the date you published it. Like this one, how many percentage was viewed and the average duration they viewed it. So you have all the statistics for each video. So that 1 out of 70 pages for me, here it might differ for you. In for now, I just have the ones that are published. So this is drafts and needs attention. So the first 3 videos that you publish will be scrutinized by Amazon to make sure that your videos are good. Once those 3 videos have been published, then you're good to go. So when it's time to upload those videos, your first 3 videos, you just click here, upload. You can upload as an MP4, MOV, under 5 gig, and you can upload photos too. But if you want to unlock extra commissions, you must upload 3 videos. And if you want me to make another video about the best practices when it comes to uploading videos on Amazon, comment video in the comment section and I'll make another video. And you can upload up to 15 videos at a time. Very easy to upload. And as I earlier said, this is the best business model anyone can start. All you need to do is just upload videos and you get commissions from it. So this is today, $23. This is January 3rd. I'll just do a custom range so you can see how I've been doing for the past 3 months. So let's start from November 3rd to December 31st. And let's see. So 665 for 2 months from November to December, guys. As you can see, this is not a bad business model at all. That is why I'm recommending it to you. It's very easy to do and it's hands-free, it's passive. That means you just sleep and you wake up, money is being made for you guys. This is the front page of my Amazon store, and as you can see, I have posts that are either idealist, photos, or videos. So I have up to 699 posts, and all of these posts are able to make me this money that you see right here, guys. So as you can see, I don't have so many posts, but it's still able to make me a significant amount of money. So you can upload idealist. Idealist is very easy. You just click idealist. These are the idealists that I have. And if you want to create an idealist, you just go to the back end and create an idealist. So creating content is very easy. Just click up here, create content. You can create an idealist, create a live stream, create a post or a video. Click on idealist and create an idealist by putting the title. And for example, if we want to do New Year idealist, just type it New Year. This is optional, saying what the idealist is all about. Then you must tag at least 2 products. So if you want to tag browse, you can go to your browse history and you type New Year, whatever it is, just put in the keyword there, New Year decorations 2024. So let's click that. You have so many decor. I always go for products that have high ratings like this one, and you just click tag products, and I mostly tag products greater than 2, less than 50. I try as much as possible not to get to 100. So just keep on tagging like this, and when it's up to 50, I click done, and you see all of the products you've tagged, and you just hit submit and it submits. So it's that easy to create an Excel list. So you can also create videos and photos. Photos is very easy, just like you create an Excel list. For photos, just hit here and you can select and add a video or photo. So it's that easy. So that's how it's easy to create content and upload to Amazon. they just start getting commissions like this every single day. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to the Amazon Influencer Program. Remember, success in this program comes with dedication, authenticity, and strategic promotion. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you're diving into the world of Amazon influencers. Until next time, signing off from Make Money Online Official, happy earning.